Hello students, our today's topic is photosynthesis. Photosynthesis. The word photosynthesis is being made by two words, that is photo plus synthesis. If we bifurcate this word photosynthesis, it gives us photo plus synthesis. Students, photo means light and synthesis means to prepare, to make or to putting together. Okay, so let us start with this word photosynthesis and make us understand what is photosynthesis and how does it work. Fine. So what is photosynthesis? Students, it takes place in plants' leaves. The process of photosynthesis takes place in the plants' leaves. This process happens in the leaves of plants. Okay, and the next point is series of reaction in plant cell. There are so many reactions takes place in the plant cell during photosynthesis. Okay, and it converts light energy to in which energy? It converts light energy into food energy, or you can say it gives us chemical energy. Okay, and it is the basis of almost all food chains. How it is helps us in all food chains? Let me tell you. Just like when the plants make food, or you can say photosynthesis happens, what does it happen? All the herbivorous animals feed on the plants. Okay, and those herbivorous animals are being eaten by the carnivorous animal. So ultimately, directly or indirectly, all food chains are being dependent on the photosynthesis. Okay, are being dependent on the plants, because for herbivorous animals are those eat green plants and the plant products, so they are dependent on the plants. It means they are dependent on the photosynthesis. They are dependent on the food prepared by the plants. And the carnivorous animals, those eat herbivorous animals, they dependent on the herbivorous animals, and ultimately or indirectly they are dependent on the plants, or you can say they are dependent on the food prepared by the plants, which is through the process of photosynthesis. So a process used by plants and other organisms to convert light energy into normally from the sun into chemical energy. Okay, a process used by plants and other organisms to convert light energy normally from the sun into chemical energy. What does it mean to say? It means to say that it's a process which is being used by the plants जो use करते हैं वो process है, and other organisms to convert light energy. Actually the light energy from where they get from light energy, they get light energy from the sunlight. Okay, they get the light energy from the sun, and normally from the sun into chemical energy. It converts whole things into the whole process into the it converted whole process chemically, and produces food for the plant. Okay, so what is the definition of the photosynthesis? Actually, what is photosynthesis? With the help of chlorophyll, water from the soil, and carbon dioxide from the atmosphere, the green leaves prepare food for the plant body in the presence of sunlight. This process of preparing food is known as photosynthesis. Here you can see, students, this is the sun. Here sunlight is being coming. Okay, so with the help of water plus light, it gives us chemical energy, and water enters leaf. Water enters leaf through from where did they get the water? They get the water from the roots. We water the plants now. We daily water the plants, and that watering of the plants, the leaf gets the water from the roots itself. Fine. Then carbon dioxide, from where they get the carbon dioxide? They get the carbon dioxide from us. We all used to respire and throughout the carbon dioxide, and we takes the oxygen. We throw out the carbon dioxide, and that carbon dioxide is being used by the plants in the process of photosynthesis. I hope you all are getting it. And the chloroplast. Beta, chloroplast is present in the leaf itself. Okay, chlorophyll, with the help of chlorophyll it makes the food. Okay, sugar leaves leaf. And here in this diagram also, this picture also, even you can understand sunlight is being coming. Okay, carbon dioxide is also coming, oxygen is going out, and the glucose is also going out, and water from here it is taken. Students, sunlight we get from the sun, carbon dioxide from the air, from the atmosphere. Okay, then water from the soil, I told you in the earlier slide. Okay, and the oxygen is being out, this is the product. These all are the reactants which reacts to make the process of photosynthesis, and these are the products. Glucose, or even we can say the sugar, or plus oxygen is the product. Okay, so here sunlight enters. There are few diagrams to make you understand easily what is the process photosynthesis means. Okay, food is sent to the other parts of the plant. When the food prepares in the home also, your mama prepares food for all of us, na? Your mama prepares food for all of you in your for your family members. Here also the leaf prepare the food for the whole plant body. Okay, so some of the food is sent to other parts of the plant. Waters enter from the stem. Water is being taken out by the roots to and it passes to the stem, and then stem passes the water to the leaves. Okay, then carbon dioxide enters through what? Through air, through atmosphere. I told you in the last slide also. Oxygen comes out through the stomata. There is a word stomata. Beta, stomata means the tiny pores, the minute pores present on the leaves. Here it's a leaf surface. Here there are small pores, you can see here. These are the small pores. Actually students, these pores are not visible by the naked eye. We have to use the microscope to see these stomata and the structure, the whole structure of the stomata. We can see it through the microscope only. Actually, what is the function of these stomata? What is the need of these stomata? Actually students, to exchange gases. The main function of this stomata is to exchange gases. Leaves have minute pores on the surface. Fine, leaves have minute pores. You can see these minute pores. Actually we can't see it by the naked eye, but we use microscope to see these small or minute pores. Okay, and these pores are used to exchange the gases. And what type of gases being exchanged? The gases like carbon dioxide as well as oxygen. Oxygen goes out from the plant, and carbon dioxide enters into the plant through these stomatas. Okay, I hope it is clear to all of you. General equation. Here we learn the whole process, what happens in the photosynthesis, what is happening in the process of photosynthesis, that with the help of chlorophyll, water from the soil, and carbon dioxide from the atmosphere, the green leaves prepare their food for the plant body in the presence of sunlight, is called the photosynthesis. But how it works chemically, we should learn it chemically also, na? How it works chemically. Here we can see how it works chemically. Okay, what happens actually? This is the CO2, carbon dioxide, plus H2O, water. When carbon dioxide combines with water, it gives, in the presence of sun's energy, or you can say sunlight and chlorophyll. Are you getting my point? When carbon dioxide plus water in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll gives us sugar, or you can say glucose, plus oxygen. Okay, when CO2 combines with H2O in the presence of sunlight as well as chlorophyll, gives us glucose plus oxygen. Okay, here CO2 is carbon dioxide, H2O is water, light energy is required. Light energy is being given by the sunlight. Okay, C6H12O6 is the formula of glucose and O2 is the formula of oxygen. I hope it is clear to all of you. CO2 signifies carbon dioxide, H2O water. Light energy is required by the plant, given by the sun, and C6H12O6 is the formula of glucose. So you have to learn this equation for the process of photosynthesis. Whenever you are being asked to write about the photosynthesis,